rapidly to form magnesium chloride MgCl2 plus H2 gas. इसी तरह reaction of metals with dilute sulfuric acid H2SO4. H2SO4 is sulfuric acid. Metals such as sodium react with dilute sulfuric acid and forms sodium sulfate Na2SO4. It is sodium sulfate plus hydrogen gas. इसी तरह magnesium reacts with H2SO4 sulfuric acid and forms magnesium sulfate MgSO4 aqueous solution plus hydrogen gas. इसके बाद some metals such as copper, Cu, copper, dear student, silver, Ag, silver is another metal, and gold is another metal, Au is gold. It is symbol of gold. They do not react with metals, with acids, dilute acids at all. यानी इस तरह हमने देखा कि मेटल जो है जब ये एसिड्स के डाइल्यूट एसिड के साथ रिएक्शन करते हैं वो इसकी तीन किस्में हैं. Some react vigorously, some metals react with acids rapidly, and some metals do not react with acids at all. इसके बाद reaction of metals with chlorine. Number 4, reaction of metals with chlorine, Cl2. Chlorine is a gas. Metals react with chlorine to form ionic chlorides. They form ionic chlorides. For example, sodium metal plus chlorine Cl2, they form NaCl. NaCl is sodium chloride. That means when metals react with chlorine, they form ionic chlorides. Here, sodium chloride is an ionic chloride. In the same way, when iron Fe, it reacts with chlorine on heating. It forms ferric chloride, FeCl3. It is ferric chloride, FeRric, ferric chloride. It is here twice, it is thrice, and here twice. So, when metals react with chlorine, they form ionic chlorides. For example, sodium plus chlorine, when they react with each other, they form sodium chloride. And when iron reacts with chlorine, they form ferric chloride. Dear students, number 5th, reaction of metals with hydrogen. Reaction of metals with hydrogen, H2. Dear students, all metals do not react with hydrogen. Only a few metals such as sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, etc. react with hydrogen to form hydrides. So some metals, all metals do not react with hydrogen, but a few metals react with hydrogen to form hydrides. To form hydrides. For example, hydrides. They form hydrides. For example, sodium plus hydrogen gives NaH. NaH is sodium hydride. Sodium hydride. HYDRID. Twice and twice. In the same way, calcium, Ca plus hydrogen, when they react with each other, they form calcium hydride. Calcium hydride. And reaction of metals with salt solution. Last, salt solution. Reaction of metals with salt solution. Salt solution. Dear students, when a more reactive metal reacts is put in the salt solution of a less reactive metal, the more reactive metal displaces less reactive metal from its salt solution. When more reactive metal is put in salt solution of less reactive metal, the more reactive metal displaces less reactive metal from its salt solution. For example, copper sulfate plus zinc. When zinc is put in the copper sulfate solution, since zinc is more reactive than copper, so it replaces copper from copper sulfate and forms zinc sulfate, ZnSO4 plus copper. In the same way, when copper is put in silver nitrate, AgNO3, it is silver nitrate solution. When copper is put in this solution, copper is more reactive than silver, so copper displaces silver from nitrate and form copper nitrate, CuNO3 whole twice plus twice silver. These are the important chemical properties of metals which we have discussed today. Hope you should have understand these properties of metals, chemical properties of metals, and you will try to read the textbook concerned and learn more about it yourselves.